Yasin wal Quranil Hakim. Yasin, Quran chapter 36 verse 2. Wal Quranil Hakim. Allah gave this attribute to the Quran, that it is a book of what? Wisdom. Quran that has wisdom. Subhanallah. What are we doing as Muslims? So if we have that book with us, we own it, we inherited that book, yet when it comes to solving of problems with wisdom, the Muslims are nowhere to be found. So what is the problem? That is what we need to ask ourselves. So when we realize that our problem is we are always reciting the Quran without knowing what we are reciting, that is where our problem comes. If we had known and focused on understanding what we have with us, we would have been the superpowers in the world.